Do you copy and paste a lot? Or maybe you find your team wanting to follow the same format for notes while on sales calls or sending follow-up emails, but you struggle to make it happen just because it feels like too much of a lift or too repetitive? Well, HubSpot Snippets could be a great solution for you. They allow you to create shortcuts for certain formatting or notes preferences. Let's take a look. To create a snippet, you'll log into HubSpot and then navigate onto the left-hand sidebar under the library section. You'll see a drop-down that says Snippets. When you click there, hit the orange Create Snippet button in the top right-hand corner. First, you want to give your snippet an internal name. This should be something that's easy to find and easy for you to understand what the snippet is for. So I'm going to add one. Then move down to the snippet text. This can be as long as you want, so you can include as much or as little formatting as you'd like. You can start by adding bullet points. And let's say we want to add a bold section for decisions made. And we want to make sure that we have sub-bullet points for the type of decisions that were made. Then let's say we want to add a next step section, and we want to make sure that we are following the correct format by including a date for the task and an owner. We could also include a resources section and include any hyperlinks that we like. So if there's a resource that you always send out after every recap, you can go ahead and link that here as well. You can hyperlink in there. You can also add any personalization tokens throughout the snippet that will pull from the associated record. So let's say you want to add a contact personalization token because this snippet will be used when you're sending an email to contacts. You could add that in the body of the email. Or you can pull from the company or the deal record that that contact is associated with. Once you get done personalizing your snippet text portion, then you'll head down to the shortcut section. This is where you can name your snippet to whatever you'd like so that you can easily access it. I'm going to name this one a recap. Now, anytime I'm on a contact, company, or deal record in HubSpot, I can just hit the pound symbol followed by recap, and this format will automatically pop into whatever I'm on, whether it's a note, a task, or an email. Let's save this snippet, and then let's take a look at how we can apply that on the contact record. First, let's navigate to a contact. Let's say I just had a meeting with Hannah Rubin and would like to send her an email. First, I'm going to go to create an email. And then I'm going to hit my pound button and recap and select the recap. You'll see how it pulled the first name from the contact record using the personalization token. So now all I need to do is add in the text for any decisions made, update the date and the owner for the tasks that were agreed upon, and link out to any resources. I can also add any additional text to the email that I want to include before sending. Make sure to drop in your subject line, and you're ready to hit send. You can also use snippets when creating a note on a contact record. So let's try that. Hit your create a note button, then add the pound key with recap. Spell it correctly. Select recap email, and here you go. Now I would want to remove the salutation, and all I have to do is update my decisions made, next steps, and resources, and create the note, and boom, it's logged to both the contact record and the company record. That way now on every contact record, all of my recaps are added as notes, and they all follow the same format. So they're easy to understand, they're easy to navigate to what you need, and follow what tasks are coming up next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the rest of our how-to videos on our YouTube channel.